Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you fix your TikTok shop product if it's not actually showing, especially in a seller's perspective? So let's just go ahead and do exactly that. Let's just search the seller account. Now let's just jump right into it. You know why it's not showing? It's because your account is not linked. Your TikTok account is not linked. This is the product here, and what you need to actually do is reconnect your integrated TikTok account to the actual platform and this seller's platform. Okay, basically. So that's what we're doing right now. This is the synthesizer, and what you need to do is relink in the seller's profile here. As you can see, you can refresh this, click on these buttons right here, activate. These are the passwords, so you could unlink and relink, so in order for us to do this. And also account provisioning. Okay, it's really important that you provision your account, add a phone number, and yeah, this is basically because your account is not linked, so you need to link your profile to your seller's profile. So that's just it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.